Hello everyone, welcome to Garden Thumbs. Hello
Overview information on breadfruit benefits. Breadfruit is called camansi. It is also related to jackfruit. The breadfruit tree grows about 86 feet height. Width of trunk is 18 feet. Breadfruit tree produces fruit between 6 to 12 years, but once it starts to produce its first sets of fruits, every year depending on the breed tree, it produces about 50 to 200 fruits off of one tree for the season. The seeds and fruits of breadfruits are eaten as food. The roots, leaves, and latex are used to make medicine. Breadfruit is used for arthritis, asthma, back pain, wound healing, ear infection, and other conditions. But there is no scientific evidence to support these use, but some people say it helps them with their conditions, and some scientists say that the nutrients that are found in the breadfruit is significant to other fruits and vegetables that has the same amount of nutrients that heals. When taken by mouth, the fruit and seed of breadfruit are inclined safe when used in food amount. The appropriate dose of breadfruit depends on several factors such as the user's age, health, and several other conditions. The natural produce are not always necessarily safe, and doses can be important. Be sure to follow relevant directions on products labels and consult a physician or a pharmacist or other health care professional before using. Health benefits. Breadfruit is high in carbohydrates and a good use for antitoxins. Arthritis, asthma, back pain, diabetes, diarrhea, fever, gout, high blood pressure, leg weaknesses and pain, liver disease, sprains, stomach pain, toothache, wound healing, and other conditions. Warning: pregnancy and breastfeeding. Not enough is known about the use of breadfruit as a medicine during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid use. Bleeding disorder. There is concern that breadfruit might increase the risk of bleeding. Don't use breadfruit as a medicine if you have a bleeding disorder. Allergies. Breadfruit might cause allergic reaction in people who are sensitive to bananas or Benjamin fig. Hypertension. Breadfruit might lower blood pressure. This might cause blood pressure to drop to low in people who already have low blood pressure. Breadfruit might lower blood pressure by decreasing heart rate and weakening the force of heart muscle contractions. It is time for a breadfruit story. It is time for a breadfruit story. Two breadfruit on a tree was talking. One breadfruit said to the other breadfruit, "Why they call us breadfruit?" The other breadfruit says, "I don't know." So the first breadfruit says, "We're not a bread, we're fruit. Bread is made out of wheat and baked in an oven. I could understand fruit part, but the bread part, no." The second breadfruit says, "They call us kamanasi, a Greek word artos meaning bread, while karpos means fruit. Some people call us jackfruit, but we're different but similar. Our skin is more lumpy, bumpy outer layer, and jackfruit got a more spiny outer layer but not prickly. The scientists call us Artocarpor altilis." So the first breadfruit says, "So we are similar to potato and yam and sweet potato?" So why did they name them bread potato fruit or bread yam fruit or bread sweet potato fruit? The second breadfruit says, well, now you're asking too much questions. So the first breadfruit says, no, I ask question because I want to know. And the name they give us don't describe as a bread. They need to give us a better name than this. The second breadfruit asked the first breadfruit, what name you prefer to call us? So the first breadfruit says, well, I put some thought into it. What about bestest fruit in the world? Why are you laughing? That is a good name. So the second breadfruit says, not everyone taste buds see us as a bestest fruit. So the first breadfruit says, it is a name, not a competition. Bestest fruit in the world. So the second breadfruit says, okay, bestest fruit in the world. How would you like to be cooked? The end. Breadfruit recipe. Breadfruit bola. Breadfruit